Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. Look at the question. Which profit is better? Cost price is equal to Rs20 and sale price is Rs23. In second, cost price is equal to 25 and sale price is equal to 28. If cost price sale price is greater than cost price, this is called profit. Profit is equal to sale price minus cost price is equal to 23 minus 20. 23 minus 20 is equal to rupees 3. Second, profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Sale price is equal to rupees 28 and 25. 3. In both cases, profit are same. Here profit is equal to rupees 3 and here profit is equal to rupees 3. Both are equal. Look at the question. Find the sale price if cost price is 500, profit is 5%. Here in second case, cost price is equal to 300 and loss is 10%. Here sale price is unknown. We have a formula. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Profit percent 5, profit CP 500 into 100. Profit is equal to 5 into 500 upon 100. 1020, 5 5s are 25. Profit is equal to 25. Now profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Now profit is equal to cost price, sale price minus cost price. Profit is equal to 25, sale price is unknown and cost price is equal to 500. Sale price is equal to 500 plus 25 is equal to 2500. Sale price is equal to 2500. Now look at the second portion. Cost price is equal to 300, loss is equal to 10%, and sale price is unknown. We have a formula: profit per loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss percent is equal to 10, loss upon CP 300 into 100. Loss is equal to 10 into 300 upon 100. 0, 0. Loss is equal to 30. Now sale price is equal to unknown. We have a formula: loss is equal to sale price cost price minus sale price. Cost price Rs 300 minus sale price Rs 30. 300 minus 30. 0, 10, 7, 2 is equal to 270. It means that sale price is equal to 270. Cost price 300, sale price is 270, loss 10%, or here loss is rupees 30. This is the answer of this question. Look at the question. A motorcycle was bought for rupees 48,000 and was sold at a profit of 6%. Find sale price. Look at the data. Cost price of motorcycle is equal to 48,000 and profit is equal to 6%, and sale price is unknown. We have a formula: profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. Profit percent is 6. Profit upon cost price 48,000 into 100. Profit is equal to 6 into 48,000 upon 100. 480 into 6, 480 into 6, 6 zeros are 0, 48, 4 carry, 424 plus 28. It means that profit is equal to 2,880 profit. Now sale price is equal to unknown. We have a formula: profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Profit is equal to 2,880, sale price unknown, minus cost price 48,000. Now sale price is equal to 48,000 plus 2,880. 48,000 plus 2,880, 0, 8, 8, 10, 5 is equal to rupees 50,880. This is the answer of this question. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.